All right, welcome back. Today I'm working on interior. You can see this piece, well, it doesn't match that side. So the plan is I cut this out and then I built a new piece that should fit right in here. And then I can weld this piece in like this. And then this side now will mirror the driver's side. And so the other thing I'm working on with this thing right now is also the floor. So you'll see right here, I got this piece coming up and I got it notched up here so I can adjust the steering to where it needs to be. So I'd like to get this welded in and this flooring in and try to do a seat. So I'm going to start on this side, try to get this mimicked where I think it should go, and then I'll try to get that piece all in. I also want to try to build the piece for this side so that both sides have flooring. And then I want to try to mount the seat and steering and get that all sorted out. Maybe. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to set up time lapse and start welding all this in. Keep it going. Woohoo! Alright, so I hope you enjoy this time lapse. You can see I got the brace in there for the subfloor. All's looking good. If you think I should leave the piece of wood under the chair for good support, let me know. Yeah, put it pretty level. Got the piece on the wall, tacked heavy at the front, at the seam right there, and at the base. Hope you guys like this. More to come, a lot like this video. See you next time.